Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Okay, coming to our class, and today's science subject, we are going to see a new thing and which everybody likes. I like the thing that we are going to see today. The lesson is 8th lesson, and last lesson we learned about animals that live in water. So as you see these pictures, I hope now you would have got an idea like what we are going to see about. Yes, we can see the picture of birds, isn't it? Crow, and then sparrow, parrot. These are birds that can fly. So their lesson is about animals that can fly. You may think why that is animals that can fly, why birds that can fly, you might think. We are going to see both birds and the animals which fly. Okay, ma'am. So not only birds alone can fly, there are some common animals that can also fly, but they come under the category of animals, not like we don't call them as birds, but they are animals. We'll see them, okay? And also insects. Maybe you might think like why insects are comes under animals that can fly. Yes, some insects have wings to fly. Let's see what are those. Okay, the first is birds. Birds, they fly. Okay, they have how many legs? They have 2 legs. Commonly they have 2 legs. Okay, actually they can't walk, but they fly very fast. They can't walk fast. Okay, they can walk, but not like how they fly fastly. They cannot walk fastly. Okay, so they with the help of their wings they fly. Wings na rekka. Okay, with the help of the wings they fly, and over their body we can see feathers. Feathers na இறகுகள், சிறகுகள் இருக்கும். அப்புறம் வந்து மேலே இருக்க அந்த இறகுகள்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, முடியெல்லாம் சொல்லுவோம்ல, அதெல்லாம் வந்து it has, most of the birds have feathers on their wings and on their body. Okay, next, most birds eat என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? They eat grains, plants, fruits, and then worms, insects. All the birds, okay, most of the birds they eat all these things. Okay, with the help of their beaks na அதுங்களுக்கு வாய் இருக்குல்ல, நீட்டமா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, அழகு. அதை வச்சு தான் அதுங்க they take their food and eat. Next, this crow, isn't it? This crow eat almost everything, even animals, plants, fruits, nuts, and mostly they eat dead animal, dead bodies. Okay, when anything is dead like rat or anything is dead, it's left on the street, they go and eat. This crow is like that. Okay, but coming to the sparrow, sparrow is a very pretty bird and it is very clean bird. Okay, the sparrows and the parrot, mostly this parrot and the sparrow, they eat only seeds and fruits. Nothing else they eat like all the other birds. Okay, they eat only seeds and fruits. What is seeds na? விதைகள். விதைகள்னா தெரியும்ல உங்களுக்கு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், சன்ஃப்ளவர் சீட் இஸ் தேர். மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த நட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும்ல, லைக் தட் தே ஈட் தோஸ் திங்ஸ், நட்ஸ், கிரெயின்ஸ், அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடும். ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் யூ ஆல் நோ, ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்னால் பழங்கள். ஓகேவா, ஸோ தி ஸ்பேரோஸ் அண்ட் தி ஸ்பேரட்ஸ் தே ஈட் சீட்ஸ் அண்ட் fruit. The next, this is about the birds. Next, we are going to see special birds, and these birds are called as hunters. What is hunters na? வேட்டையாடுறது. You might think like what is that hunt? See, you can see a hawk, it's like a vulture, and this is an owl. Owlna and the hawk அப்படின்றாங்கல்ல, hawk, அது வந்து ஈகிள் மாதிரி ரொம்ப பிக்காக இருக்கும். ஈகிள்னா பறந்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க நினைக்கிறேன் தமிழில். ஓகேவா, ஸோ இது வந்து அந்த ஃபேமிலியில் தான் இருக்கும். இது ரொம்ப பிக்காக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, These birds mostly they are called as hunters. வேட்டையாடி சாப்பிடுவாங்க. எதை வேட்டையாடுவாங்க? Small animals, okay? Whatever they see on the land, when they see, they hunt. அதை வேட்டையாடி சாப்பிடுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? Here the special thing about this owl is, the owl இருக்குல்ல, ஆந்தை இருக்குல்ல, it hunts at night தான். நைட் தான் இது வந்து அதனுடைய சாப்பாடை தேடி ஹண்ட் பண்ணி சாப்பிடும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கீப் திஸ் இன் யர் மைண்ட். திஸ் ஆல்ஸ் ஆர் night hunters. They hunt only in the night. They search for food only during night. Day டைம்லலாம் மோஸ்ட்லி வந்து இந்த owlsக்கு வந்து கண்ணு தெரியாது. ஸோ இந்த நைட் only their eyes are very sharp and if they can see everything that crawls in the darkல இருட்டில் என்ன போனாலும் அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சி வேட்டையாடி இந்த owlsலாம் சாப்பிடணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ we saw about common birds and about the hunter birds. ஓகேவா? Next is about the birds that can swim. See, this is also a bird, duck and goose. Okay, iduvum birds da. These birds they swim. Okay, these birds they swim. They have wings to fly. They can't fly very fast or far, they can't fly so far place, but they can fly little bit. கொஞ்சம் அவங்களால பறக்க முடியும். Not like all the other birds. The other birds they continually they fly இல்ல. But this duck and goose they cannot fly like other birds, but they can fly. கொஞ்சமா அவங்க fly பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? So see, this duck and this goose they have long neck. அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப long neck இருக்கும். Mostly these ducks they eat plants, fish, worms, insects எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டுருக்கோம். You might have seen in the videos in the TV. Like what do the ducks do? They immerse in the water. தண்ணிக்குள்ள போய் they catch out the fish and they swallow it. அப்படியா? அது மாதிரி பிளான்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிளான்ஸ்லாம் நல்லா கொத்தி சாப்பிடும். ஈவன் த இன்செக்ட்ஸ் இந்த மட்டிலெல்லாம் இதில் பாண்ட் லேக்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈவன் மோஸ்ட்லி வி கேன் see them in the field, இந்த ஃபார்ம் ஹவுஸ்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். they search their food in the mud. They put their அந்த நோஸ் என்ன பண்ணும் மட்டுக்குள்ளே போட்டு they search for the worms and the insects. So these birds like duck and goose they eat plants, fishes and then worms and insects. Okay, so 3 types of birds we have seen today. The rest of the birds or the animals we'll see in the next class. First we saw about the common birds. Okay, birds can fly, they have legs and then they have wings to fly and they have feathers on their body. Birds eat with their beaks and then crows almost eat everything. And the sparrow and the parrot they eat what? They eat only seeds and fruits. They don't eat like other animals, like other birds. They don't eat everything. They always eat seeds and fruits. Okay, that's why these birds are very clean and they are beautiful birds. Okay, the next we saw about the hunter birds. Okay, these birds they are hunters. They hunt animals, not like big animals. They hunt small animals then they eat. And the special thing about the owl is it hunts at night and eats its food. Nightல தான் hunt பண்ணி அது சாப்பிடும். Because the daytime it can't see properly. So during the night time only it will hunt its food and eat. Okay. The next is we saw about the duck and the goose. These are also like birds. They swim. These birds they swim. More other birds they fly on the land, on the air. But these birds they will be living in water as well as in the land. And these are also called as birds and they mostly swim in water. Okay. So these duck and this geese they like to eat plants, worms, insects and fishes. Okay, so these are the things children I want you all to read. Just go through the portion that we have completed today. It's in page number 28 and 29 till duck and geese you can learn. Okay, just till here you can finish learning. Just go through and read and then classwork maybe I'll give you some questions. You can copy it in your classwork note. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.